I'm at Kechara Forest Retreat, and I was just wondering, do you guys have statues that you've placed on your altar for a long time, and it's been listening to your prayers and your wishes, and probably even absorbing negative energies? Have you ever thought of, is there a way to detox my statues? Well, today I'm going to tell you something called Rabney. The Rabney puja is, lack of a better word, a puja to detox our statues. And it's normally done annually in monasteries. This year, on January 26, 2019, at Kechara Forest Retreat, we will be conducting a Rabney puja. It is open to members of the public, and you can bring your Buddha statues or other types of Buddha images, pictures, pendants, stupas. But Dharma text, no, because you can't Rabney a Dharma text. So on January 26th, the Rabney puja is in conjunction with Kechara inviting our 9 feet Dorje Shugden outdoor statue. The Rabney, other than blessing our statues, it is also a holy puja to consecrate our holy land as well as statues that we will be installing. So this year, join us January 26th at 10 a.m. I know. January 26, 2019, 10 a.m. at Kechara Forest Retreat. Now, a little bit more information for you before we end up bringing things that cannot be Rabneyed. Stuffed toys? No. Even though you think it's holy to you, we don't accept stuffed toys, okay? So it is Buddha images such as statues, photos, thangkas, stupas, pendants, items like this. Good news for you. vajasecrets.com is having a promotion. With 2019 and many people saying it's going to be very challenging, it's going to be, not a good year for many people, and etc., etc., etc. Let's take a practical approach. If we can seek divine help, why not? So if you are seeking to invite home a statue, that's a dog. That's a dog. So don't think I'm filming anything paranormal. So focus here. So if you're thinking of inviting a statue home to bless you, protect you, and to clear your obstacles, please log on to vajasecrets.com. They have a promotion for you during this period in preparation for the Rabney. If you purchase a statue or invite home a statue from vajasecrets.com or any other Kechara retail outlets, you will get you will receive the complimentary Rabney during at the Rabney puja. So another thing to caution, if you are bringing a Buddha statue during the Rabney puja for blessing, for detox, or what lack of a better word, please make sure your statue is filled. The base of a statue normally has a hole. It should have insertion items such as mantras. Again, you can go to kechara.com, vajasecrets.com to find out more information. Do not bring an empty Buddha statue, please. All right, so please join us. So please join us January 26, 2019 at Kechara Forest Retreat at 10 a.m. for a Rabney puja and the consecration of a 9 feet Dorje Shugden outdoor statue. See you then.